Hello, everyone. Welcome to my video about investments for beginners. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your money in the long term, but it can be an intimidating subject for those who are starting out. In this video, we will cover the basics of investment, the available options, and some tips for beginners. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's define what investment is. Investing means putting your money into something with the expectation of getting a financial return. This can be done in various ways, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, among others. Now that we know what investment is, let's talk about why to invest. The main reason is that investing can help increase your wealth in the long term. Additionally, investing can help you achieve specific financial goals such as retirement, buying a home, traveling, among others. There are many investment options available, and each has its own characteristics and risks. Here are some of the main types of investment. Stocks. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company's ownership. Stocks are traded on stock exchanges and can be a high-risk option, but with high potential returns. Bonds. Bonds are loans that you make to governments or companies. They are considered less risky than stocks, but usually offer lower returns. Investment funds. Investment funds are managed by professionals and invest in a variety of stocks, bonds, and other assets. They can be a convenient option for those who do not want to manage their own investments. Real estate. Investing in real estate means buying properties with the goal of getting a financial return. This can be done through buying and selling properties, renting properties, among others. Here are some tips for those starting to invest. Start with little money. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can start with small amounts and increase as you feel more comfortable. Diversify. Don't put all your money into a single investment. It is important to diversify your portfolio to minimize risks. Learn, educate yourself about the different types of investment and their risks before putting your money into something. This way, you can make more informed decisions and reduce the risks of losing money. Investing can be an excellent way to grow your money in the long term. With the information and tips we presented in this video, we hope you feel more comfortable to start investing. Remember to always invest responsibly and be prepared to deal with possible losses. Investment is a long-term journey and requires patience and discipline. We hope this video has been useful for you and has cleared up some questions about investments. If you have any more questions or want to share your experiences with investments, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.